Nếu này chơi cua với một sọp này ở đây
Nó có bé. Bebe, come on. Oh, susu. Có bỏ gì? Bebe. Oh, baby fish. Lo bên đó nha. Yeah. Hey, baby, look, baby, look. Ah, what's that?
No, it doesn't eat.
Come on, baby. Baby, come on.
Oh, another one.
Oh, anh chị.
Mommy, come on.
Anh chị.
Sure. Bee, look, I'm here, Bee, come here. Look, I'm here, Kevin.
Oh, look, baby. Baby cheese. Cái gì cheese cái gì? Come on.
Mommy, let me see.
Yeah, up here. Baby, come on. Hold on. Baby. Có không biết bài hỏi à? Con nằm lên nào. Hey, Yamaka. Hello, baby. luôn à. Oh my god.
There's nothing, guys.
Oh.
Sorry, buddy.
And what is that?
That's a giant burrowing cockroach. This is our big, giant burrowing cockroach. He's just gone underneath there. He's like a bulldozer.
Come here.
Come here.
You watch, he'll probably come out in a second. They like to burrow beneath all of the leaf litter. Ready? Big burrowing cockroach. There he is.
Wow.
This is actually the world's heaviest species of cockroach. They get to 30 grams in weight and they get to 8 centimeters in length, so they get huge.
Không, chưa thấy. Thế cứ nhớ đâu mà lên nào cái nào mẹ chi này cả. Mẹ chi cái gì? Cái này mà mẹ chi này cái gì?
Vậy đấy.
Guys, come over here. We got to touch them.
Oh, look. See that? Did you go out the other end?
Bị đứt lỗ nè. Đó bị rổ à. Bị rổ.
To see them white snakes.
맞지?
It's a white snakes.
너무 아프다.
No, there are two of this. There are two. There's two of them.
이거 너무 무서워.
Mommy, no.
왜 저도 올라가 놓나?
That's
아니네.
Where's the snakes?
왜?